Hello mga partners! Andito na tayo sa bahagi ng question and answer ng Ionic Engine Metal Treatment Oil at saka yung Quantum Energy Saving Stickers.
The first question, Sir Nitura, in the operations manual of vehicle and equipment, what are the recommendations of the manufacturer pertaining to change oil and change oil filter?
Good day, Ms. Blanco, and good day to everyone. Nasa bahagi na tayo ng question and answer ng Ionic Engine Metal Treatment at saka yung Quantum Energy Savers. Now, let's go to the first questions regarding Ionic engine oils. Vehicles and equipment manufacturers recommended a certain kilometers or hours or 1 month to 6 months to change oil in the oil filter to prolong the life of the engine. This is the reasons why manufacturers are recommended strictly to follow this instruction.
The second question, sir, why Ionic engine metal treatment attainable to extend more month or double the kilometer reading without affecting the engine maintenance requirements as stated in operations manual?
GBM Ionic engine metal treatment is designed to improve and retain the viscosity of oil and make the engine cooler while running. If the engine is colder than usual, this means it reduces humidity because humid may cause rust and oil filter element in other engine parts composed with metal rust attracted materials. This is the main reasons why vehicles manufacturers demand to replace engine and engine oil every suggested certain kilometer or hour use for 1 month to 6 months which come first. Dahil ito ang dahilan na kahit sinasabi natin bakit wala pa naman umabot ng 3 months or 6 months, mga 1,000 or 500 kilometers na takbo ko, bakit ka magpapalit ng engine oil at saka engine oil filter? Ito ang main reasons kung bakit, dahil dun sa humid build-up, pag ito'y napaandar mo na magkukos ng rust dun sa mga material na attracted ng rust. Like for example, yung oil filter, meron yung metal elements na composition doon. Kaya yun ang sinasabi na dahilan kung bakit. Dahil kung ito'y kinalawang, magkukos ito ng problema sa loob ng iyong makina.
And the third question, sir, what is the required quantification or mixing ratio of the ionic metal treatment with the engine oil?
There were two sizes of bottle produced by GPM. One is 30 ml and the second is 60 ml. The recommended mixing ratio is 1 30 ml mixed into 1 liter of engine oil. Therefore, if your car using 4 liters of engine oil, you need 2 bottles of 60 ml GBM Ionic Engine Metal Treatment Oil. Kaya kung sakaling 4 liters, that is equivalent of 4,000 ml, bawasan mo yung langis na bago inilagay mo sa makina ng 120 ml para eksaktong 4,000 ml or 4 liters ang nasa loob ng makina. Pag na-mix na o naihalo mo na, ito yung 120 ml o dalawang bottle na 60 ml doon sa loob ng makina. You have to remember ito, mga partners. Do not exceed with recommended amount of oil on the oil chamber. Hindi baling kulang ng konti kaysa sobra yung langis. Dahil pag ito ay sumobra, magkakaroon ng pressure build-up. At pag may pressure build-up na, maghahanap yung sobrang langis na yon ng lalabasan, posible sa mga oil cell o either sa mga kung saan malambot na bahagi ng makina para makalabas sila. Kaya bakit kaya bago pa ng makina ko, bago pang sakyan ko, ay mayroon ng tinatawag na smoke o oil na lumalabas sa breather? Marahil dahil sa sobrang langis na ilagay ninyo. Kasi mayroong certain pressure lang dapat ang mayroon doon sa loob ng chamber ng makina. Kaya pag sumobra yung langis, liliit yung room pressure na yon, Kaya mapipilitan siya maghanap ng lalabasan, yung mga sobrang langis na inilagay ninyo. Kaya sabi ko, kulang kaysa yung sobra kahit na konti. Dadako tayo sa quantum sticker.
The first question, Sir Nitura, what is the function of quantum energy fuel saver?
The fuel passed directly through powerful biochemically and photodynamically. The quantum energy fuel saver sticker realign the fuel molecules. And this increases the excitation level of fuel molecules, causing their clustering, and also refine the fuel molecules when the fuel comes out of the fuel line hose. It improves the thermal efficiency of the fuel when injected inside the cylinder chamber. When that fuel goes inside the cylinder chamber, it gives better combustion. And this is the unique process certainly result in saving fuel. Kaya yan ang dahilan kung bakit kailangan nating ilagay itong quantum para magkaroon siya ng unique process. At ang resulta nito, mas magandang katipiran natin sa fuel.
The second question, where to install the quantum energy fuel saver?
Treated quantum energy fuel saver sticker must place in a fuel line hose. If possible, must be placed from the main line after the fuel pump and the fuel tank. Kaya ang gagawin nyo, pag hindi nyo alam, pumunta kayo sa mekaniko para buksan kung nasaan yung lugar na pwede nyo makita yung fuel line mula sa fuel pump para doon nyo ipulupot yung quantum energy fuel saver. And you can put another set adjacent to the injection pump or carburetor. Make sure that the supply line has to be rough, not the return fuel line. Siguraduhin nyo ito mga partners. Sa mga motorsiklo, ang lagyan nyo lang ay dun sa hose na malapit dun sa carburetor o yung hose na magmumula sa tangke. Huwag ilalagay dun sa spark plug wire dahil hindi magkakaroon ng effectiveness kung doon nyo ilalagay.
The third question, sir, how many % can we save?
Most cars, vans, pickup trucks, and SUV are most fuel efficient when they are traveling between 50 and 80 km per hour. Above this speed, vehicles use increasingly more fuel than the faster they go. Kaya kung speed zone mo ay nasa 50 and 80, makita mo effectiveness din. Pero pag ito ay lumampas ka ng 120 km per hour, mag-exceed ka ng 20% more fuel. Kaya sabi rito dun sa guidelines natin, 120 kilometers per hour, a vehicle uses about 20% more fuel than at the 100 and below kilometer per hour. For example, you have a trip of 25 kilometers. This spike in speed and fuel consumption would cut just 2 minutes from your travel time. But with treated quantum energy fuel saver sticker, you can reduce maximum of 30% to 40%. And again, this will vary to your style of driving.
And the fourth and last question, sir, what is the lifespan of the quantum energy fuel saver?
Now, to sum up with regard to this product, this will valid for 3 years when you're going to install with the hose itself. At siguraduhin nyo na ito ay mabalot din ng electrical tape para hindi madumian at hindi mababasa. Dahil kung magkaganon, hindi aabot ng 3 years ang lifespan nitong quantum fuel energy stickers. Okay, Dito nagtatapos ang ating question answer dito sa Ionic metal treatment at saka itong quantum energy saver, mga partners, mga kaibigan. At magkita-kita tayo muli sa susunod na question and answers na may ibang product pa ng GBM. Magandang araw.